Good morning, students. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are on the lesson that is chapter 6, India Political Division, and in this lesson we are discussing about our country India and its political division. Before this, we have already discussed about the location and the size of India, and then after our neighbors, which countries are there that they share their boundary with us, and after that political division of India, why there is need to divide the country, and why there is need of political division of India. And now today we will discuss about political division of India, how India is divided, and what is the need to divide the India. Let's see political division of India. India has been divided into 28 states. Yes, student, 28 states and 9 union territories. 28. Before this, earlier we have 29 states and Jammu and Kashmir is out from the states, so there is 28 states, and earlier we have 7 union territories, but now we have 9 union territory. The two extra union territory that is added, that will be Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Two, two new union territory. So India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. This division makes it easier to govern or look after the people of the country and to maintain law and order. Dear student, before this I have discussed about it, that why there is need to divide the India into small portion and small part, you can say in states, for better government and better management. There is need to divide the India in different region. Apart from this, there is a central government which governs or manages the entire country. Dear student, for whole country or entire country, who is liable? Our central government is liable for the administration of whole country. If there is any problem, if there is any need, if there is any plus or any minus, who will manage it? Our central government, which controlled and which located in New Delhi, so which governs or manages the entire country. Every state has its own capital city. Yes, student. Each and every states have their own capital. As just for example, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. So the entire country, every state has its own capital city. Union territories are smaller than states. Yes, student. We can say in other word, it say states are greater than union territory. On the other hand, we can say union territory is smaller than states. So every state has its own capital. Union territories are smaller than states. The union territories are looked after by the central government. So here is a question The union territories are governed or looked after by whom? Answer will be by the central government. It is governed and it is looked after, मतलब इसकी जो देखभाल है वो कौन करता है? वो करता है बेटा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. In a family, it is the parents who looks after the welfare of the family. Dear student, before this I had given this example to you. जिस तरीके से हमारी फैमिली में हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स सारी चीज़ों के प्रति लायबल होते हैं, सारी चीज़ों के प्रति उनकी जिम्मेदारी होती है, वो सारा काम पूरा करते हैं, हम लोगों की देखभाल करते हैं, ठीक उसी तरीके से इन अ फैमिली इट इज़ द पेरेंट्स हु लुक आफ्टर द welfare of the family. Similarly, in a country, it is the government that looks after the welfare and safety of its people. As in our family, our parents and grandparents look after our family, and all the duties and responsibility totally depend on our parents and grandparents. In the same way, government is there in the country to look after the welfare and all the things managed from the government. Next is, dear student, two types of government in India. In India, two types, main division of the government. Government is mainly divided into two parts. One is central government and another one is state government, and in other class you will study it in detail, but here we will discuss about the central government and state government. So you can see here the government of India, types of government in India. Two types of government in India are there. First one is central government. In central government consists of, means central government में कौन कौन लोग होते हैं और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में कौन कौन सी बॉडी होती हैं या कौन कौन से लोग होते हैं या जिम्मेदारी हम लोग किन के ऊपर देते हैं. So first of all we will discuss about the central government. It consists of, ये किससे बनती है? The president. First citizen of our country is our president. At this time, who is president of our country? Yes, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is our president, and he is first citizen of our country at this time. The president, the prime minister, other ministers. Dear student, prime minister and other minister, both are chosen by voting, because our country India is a democratic country. Here is democracy. So what is democracy? Democracy is a kind of government of the people, for the people and by the people. This definition is given by Abraham Lincoln. So डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब बेटा आप बस इतना जानिए, डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब होता है प्रजातंत्र. प्रजातंत्र का मतलब होता है, प्रजा का मतलब होता है लोग और तंत्र मतलब होता है सरकार. तो लोगों की सरकार, इंडिया में किसकी सरकार है? लोगों की सरकार है. हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि किसकी गवर्नमेंट बनेगी, किसकी गवर्नमेंट नहीं बनेगी, बिकॉज वी हैव द पावर ऑफ वोटिंग. सो वी choose these ministers by our vote, that we have the power to choose the minister, to choose our government. So the people of India vote to choose the ministers. it's all about our central government, and on other hand our country, our system is further divided into different region, that is called states. So that are called state government consist of मतलब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट किससे बना है? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में गवर्नर होता है, जैसे बेटा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में प्रेसिडेंट होता है, वैसे ही स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में गवर्नर होता है. गवर्नर इज द फर्स्ट citizen of our state. Governor is the first citizen of our state. At this time, who is our governor? Anandiben Patel is the governor of our state, and the chief minister and other state ministers both are chosen by our voting system. We choose the state government as we choose the central government. So chief minister, at this time our chief minister Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and other minister means for better administration, for the helping the chief minister. There are many ministers are there to help to insist in the working of our chief minister Mr. Yogi Adityanath. So it is difficult for the central government to look after the needs of the whole country. My dear student, why? Here is the answer. Why there is need to make the state government? The need to make the state government, there is need to divide our country into different states, because central government cannot deal with all the problem that is related with the states. So there is need to make the state government. So it's all about our today's class. And my dear student, you just learn all the states and their capital. You just learn all the states and their capital. Write it in your notebook and learn it properly. So it's all about our today's class. Now we are concluding here this lesson also, and in our next video we will see, in our next class we will see chapter 7, that will be food and clothes. So read this lesson carefully and enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.